So do you use iMovie and you want to overlay a video onto another video, and to do this you are facing many problems. Watch this video till the end. So this is the video which we are gonna create. So in here I'm just doing some nonsense. So the nonsense what I'm doing is I'm just going into YouTube, I'm into Google Chrome and just typing in that youtube.com/Zaid and this is my channel right behind me. So I hope that you like this tiny video. So first of all, open iMovie and create a new project. So create new movie, and there I have my media right here. So this is the background. So this should be in the background and this should be on the top. Alright. So now what I'll do is so first of all you need to just click here and select picture in picture and put it as per you how you want to show it. So I want it to be like this, and that's all. So now if I just play, so you can see I'm looking right behind my video. So now what I can do is I am done. This is how easy you put picture in picture or overlay a picture above another video in iMovie.